like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will post daily update videos of new inventory coming in. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. All makes, all models, various types of insurance losses. Right now you're looking at a BMW 430 Xi freshwater flood damage vehicle. The water line appears to be very low. The vehicle does power up, it does start, it does drive. Right now, just going over the vehicle, make sure everything is intact. There's no rust or corrosion under the hood. All good signs. No moisture condensation in the headlights, which is good. No moisture condensation in the fog lights, also a good sign. Do a quick walk around. Body looks good, nice and clean. Sunroof. We sold with a salvage title. Insurance company said the water line settled around there. I don't know how accurate they are. Sometimes these adjusters aren't experienced. I mean, just take a guess, because they're overwhelmed processing so many vehicles when there's a catastrophic event like what we had a couple months ago. We have a little bit more time on our hands, so we're able to go through the vehicles carefully. So see, it's marked here. If the water was that high, we would have some sort of indicator in here. Looks dry under there. Usually you can see sand or some type of dirt. This is from people getting in and out of the car with dirty shoes or boots. Seats work. Seat tracks are clean. I mean, some water may have penetrated the interior, but I don't think as much as they're stating. It starts right up, powers right up. Nice red interior. Sunroof. In the back seat, really nice. Let's check the cigarette lighter. Sometimes you can see in there. I mean, some water got in here. I don't think that much. Alright, all good signs. I think it'll turn out to be a nice vehicle for somebody that wants to build it. I would love to build all of them, but we simply don't have the manpower or the time. So what we'll do is just make sure that they're dry, that they run, and it's a good car for someone to buy and rebuild and save some money. Thanks for watching.